The family of the late Mr. Ben Okochichi, popularly known as Nzadichie of Umuatulu village in Enugwu-Ukwu, Njikoka local government area, has completed the funeral final rites of their father, the late Mr. Okochichi, who was aged 86, was the father of a staff of Accounts Department and Anambra Broadcasting Service ABS, Miss Oluchi Okochichi. Correspondent Blessing Dennis was there and now reports.
Born on 18th September 1937, the late Mr. Okochichi died on 23rd March 2023 after a brief illness and has been buried according to his wish. His funeral ceremony, which attracted members of the Catholic Men Organization (CMO), Catholic Women Organization (CWO), the ABS family, relatives, friends and well-wishers, had the late Mr. Okochichi described as an intelligent, enthusiastic, strong, energetic, hard-working and bona fide member and secretary of the CMO, St. Mark's Catholic Church, Enugwu-Ukwu. In his sermon, the officiating priest, Reverend Father Evaristus Ezekwenna, described death as inevitable and irreversible, urging everyone to prepare for the journey to heaven, which according to him is filled with joy in eternity. Reverend Father Ezekwenna prayed God to grant the bereaved family the fortitude to bear the inseparable loss.
Ihe niile bụ n'aka Chineke ka ọ dị. Onye bịara n'ụwa Chineke kpọtara ya. Onye nwụrụ anwụ Chineke kpọrọ ya. Anyị nwa dị ndụ Chineke hapụrụ anyị. Onye nwụrụ anwụ Chineke kpọrọ ya. Ndị ahụ ha bịa nwụrụ Chineke mee ka ọ dị otu a. Ihe niile dị n'aka Chineke.
In speeches, the children of the deceased, Mr. Ifeanyi Chukwu and Chukwebuka, Cynthia and Oluchi, described their father's demise as a painful and traumatic, noting that he was a man of peace, a leader, friend, protector, and counselor.
He's a noble man and he's a straightforward person.
My father is a man of peace. He's a humble man. He's somebody that, when you want to describe him, you can say he's a man of God. He's a man that likes peace, that can give up everything for humanity. In fact, he's a philanthropist.
I'm praying that God will accept. It's not that God will, because I know that God has accepted him already. She gets that he will rest in God's hands and also look after us, because I know that he's still seeing us.
The managing director of the ABS, Sachido Obidiegu, represented by the director of engineering, Engineer Paul Okoye, prayed God to accept the late Mr. Okochichi's soul into his bosom.
To commiserate with our colleague, Miss Oluchi Okochichi, and the mom, Mrs. Okochichi, who also worked with us in ABS. I had to say sorry and to tell them to take heart, because what happened to them also happened to all of us.
Condolences by the relatives and friends climaxed the burial ceremony. From Umuatulu village, Enugwu-Ukwu, in Njikoka local council area, Blessing Dennis, ABS News.